Hello guys, so in this video you will learn to draw 3 simple drawings of a butterfly, boat and a car. So let's start with a butterfly. It's very easy to draw a butterfly. You just have to follow the simple steps I am following. After completing drawing, start coloring. Coloring is always a fun activity. Hope you are enjoying the video. If you like the butterfly and its color, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for such interesting videos. Now let's start drawing boat. For making boat, firstly you have to draw 2 lines and then 2 other lines in a half banded shape. In that banded shape you have to draw semicircular lines and then you will see that boat is created. And now again start coloring boat, and as I said, coloring is always a fun for a kid. While I am coloring the boat, let me know in the comment box in which class you are. Now as you can see, coloring is finished. Now let's start drawing a car. For drawing a car, you just have to follow the simple steps I am following, and then you see that the car is created, and then again start coloring the car. Hey guys, let me know in my comment box which drawing is your favorite, a car, butterfly or a boat. Okay then, bye bye and thank you for watching, and do subscribe to my channel for such interesting videos.